Mr. Alan Marquez.
Today, we attended the BOP General Assembly to learn about their upcoming project developments. While I was sitting, Ma'am Judy saw me, and we just had a brief catch-up. We just logged in briefly with Ma'am Jules for the event we attended. Before we started, they organized an icebreaker game to provide a bit of entertainment. In this part, Ma'am Judy discussed the project development and pricing details. They also covered many aspects of project development that could assist us brokers and agents with potential sales opportunities.
For 4%, hindi man nakakita ng August. Under po siya ng August Operations Group. So, congratulations and thank you to Mr. Alan Marquez. Sir, sige tayo kami lang muna. So, Sir Alan nakapento siya ng Altea. Okay, so let's thank you.
For all the key sales